Top 5 Practical Inventions and Crafts from High-Level Handyman. The latest innovations in home improvement and DIY crafts reflect the ingenuity of high-level handyman. Here are 5 practical inventions that can enhance your everyday tasks, making them easier and more efficient. The automatic toilet seat closer. This innovative device addresses a common household annoyance: the toilet seat left up. The automatic toilet seat closer is designed to eliminate this issue effortlessly, using advanced sensor technology to detect when someone leaves the bathroom and gently closing the seat behind them. This solution not only promotes better hygiene by ensuring the toilet seat is always down, reducing the spread of germs and bacteria, but it also enhances the overall aesthetic of your bathroom, keeping it consistently tidy and visually appealing. The device is powered by batteries, ensuring it operates independently without the need for a complex electrical setup. The installation process is straightforward, designed to fit most standard toilet seats, making it a practical addition for any home regardless of its existing bathroom setup. The simplicity of installation means that even those who are not particularly handy can easily set up the device in a matter of minutes. In addition to its practical benefits, the automatic toilet seat closer brings a touch of modern convenience to your daily routine. Its quiet, smooth operation ensures that the seat is closed gently, preventing any loud noises that could disturb others in the household, particularly at night. The sleek design of the device integrates seamlessly with your toilet, maintaining the aesthetic integrity of your bathroom decor. Furthermore, this device is a great solution for households with children or elderly members who may forget to close the toilet seat. It adds an extra layer of convenience and consideration, ensuring that the bathroom remains in a ready-to-use state for the next person. By adopting this technology, you not only improve the cleanliness and appearance of your bathroom, but also demonstrate a commitment to modern, automated home solutions that make everyday life easier and more comfortable. The cordless drill with measuring tape. Combining 2 essential tools into one, the cordless drill with an integrated measuring tape revolutionizes the process of home repairs and DIY projects. This innovative invention allows users to seamlessly drill holes and measure distances without the hassle of switching between separate tools, enhancing both convenience and efficiency. The drill features a compact and ergonomic design, making it easy to handle and maneuver, even in tight spaces. Its durable battery ensures long-lasting performance, allowing users to tackle a wide range of tasks without frequent recharges. One of the standout benefits of this cordless drill with a built-in measuring tape is its ability to significantly streamline workflows. For instance, when hanging shelves, pictures, or other fixtures, users can quickly measure the required distances and immediately proceed to drill the necessary holes, all with the same tool. This not only saves time but also reduces the likelihood of errors that can occur when switching between separate tools. The compact design of the drill makes it highly portable, allowing users to carry it effortlessly from one task to another. Despite its small size, the drill is robust and capable of handling various drilling needs, from simple home repairs to more complex construction projects. The integrated measuring tape adds a layer of precision, ensuring that each task is completed with accuracy. This tool is particularly valuable for quick jobs where precision and speed are paramount. Whether you are a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the cordless drill with an integrated measuring tape is a game-changer. It exemplifies how innovative design can simplify tasks and improve productivity. By combining 2 frequently used tools into one, this invention not only enhances the efficiency of home projects but also sets a new standard for multifunctional tools in the market. The adjustable hand screwdriver. The adjustable hand screwdriver is an innovative and versatile tool that has revolutionized the way we handle various screw sizes and types. Traditional screwdrivers require you to have multiple tools on hand, each suited for a specific type of screw, whether it be Phillips, flathead, or others. This can lead to a cluttered toolbox and unnecessary hassle during projects. However, the adjustable hand screwdriver simplifies this by featuring an adjustable head that can be easily modified to fit different screw types. This ingenious design not only saves significant space in your toolbox, but also enhances efficiency and convenience. Whether you're a novice just starting out or an experienced handyman, the ability to quickly adjust the screwdriver head to match the screw type at hand can make a world of difference. It allows for seamless transitions between different tasks without the need to switch tools constantly. Moreover, the adjustable hand screwdriver is constructed to handle a variety of applications, from household repairs to more complex construction projects. Its user-friendly design ensures that anyone can operate it with ease, making it an invaluable addition to any toolkit. In essence, this tool embodies practicality and innovation, providing a solution that caters to the needs of diverse users and various project requirements, ultimately streamlining the process and improving overall productivity. The magnetic hook for cords. This ingenious invention effectively tackles the widespread issue of tangled cords and cables, a common annoyance in various settings. The magnetic hook is designed for easy attachment to metal surfaces, providing a practical solution for organizing and hanging cords neatly. It is particularly ideal for environments like garages, workshops, or any areas where cords tend to accumulate and create clutter. The hook's robust magnet ensures it stays securely in place, even under the weight of multiple cords, making it a reliable tool for daily use. The hook's simple yet efficient design allows for effortless installation and usage, catering to users of all skill levels. By keeping cords off the floor neatly arranged, it significantly reduces tripping hazards and promotes a safer workspace. This is especially crucial in busy or confined spaces where loose cords can pose serious safety risks. Additionally, the magnetic hook's versatility extends beyond just cord management. It can also be used to hang tools, keys, or other metal objects, adding to its utility and making it a valuable addition to any organizational toolkit. This tool not only enhances safety but also contributes to a more organized and efficient environment, whether in a professional setting or at home. Its combination of simplicity, strength, and versatility makes it an indispensable accessory for anyone looking to manage cords and cables effectively. The DIY Picture Hanging Kit. Hanging pictures can often be a frustrating and time-consuming task, especially when you're trying to achieve perfect alignment and balance. The DIY Picture Hanging Kit revolutionizes this process by providing all the essential tools and materials in one convenient package, eliminating the need for multiple trips to the hardware store. This comprehensive kit typically includes adjustable hooks, precise measuring tools, and a reliable level, ensuring that your artwork is displayed beautifully and evenly. One of the standout features of the DIY Picture Hanging Kit is its user-friendly design. With clear step-by-step instructions, even those without prior experience in home improvement or decorating can hang pictures like a pro. The adjustable hooks allow for easy modification, making it simple to get the exact placement you desire. The measuring tools help you determine the perfect spots for your frames, while the level ensures that everything is straight and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you're decorating a new space or reimagining an existing one, the DIY Picture Hanging Kit is an invaluable tool. It saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on creating a harmonious and visually appealing environment. Say goodbye to crooked frames and unnecessary holes in your walls. With this kit, achieving professional results has never been easier. These 5 practical inventions not only enhance the efficiency of everyday tasks but also reflect the creativity and problem-solving skills of high-level handymen. By integrating these tools into your home improvement arsenal, you can tackle projects with greater ease and precision.